morning, it's Friday the 13th of April 2018 and we're here for a world of adventure. This is Coastersaurus.
Hey, hey, find me no love.
Hi, welcome to Chessington. Yeah, we've come back again right at the end of the Easter holidays and it's an extremely busy Friday. The park is rammed, the car park's a swamp, but we're going to get on some rides, starting off with Dragon's Fury. How was Dragon's Fury, Peter? Do you enjoy that? Yeah, good fun. Right, where are we going next? We're still waiting for the Black Buccaneer to make a reappearance. That's lurking around the corner. Really good ride on Gruffalo just then. Queue boards seem to be a bit all over the place at the moment at Chessington. The queue time for Gruffalo said well over an hour before we joined the queue, and we were on in 20 minutes. On the other hand, the queue board for Vampire is currently saying 70, and from where it is, that's going to be double that, and that's no exaggeration. That queue is absolutely enormous.
Come here.
penguin! Oh, it's nearly as big as you. Hello, dear. Hello. Hello. Right, next up is my personal favourite Chessington ride. It's time for Rattlesnake. Great ride on Rattlesnake there. We have managed to get on a few rides. We've also managed to do the zoo as well, which we don't usually get time for. Next up, however, it's time for the Flying Fish's western cousin. Yes, let's get on the Scorpion Express. Work continues on Tiger Rock. Got quite a lot of the rock theming in now, as well as the Tiger Cage, which is very much looking like it's assembled now. Looking good. Great ride on Toon Blaster just there. Again with the queue times, that still says 60 minutes on the way in, but we didn't queue any longer than about 10. So yeah, you've got to be a bit wary of the queue boards here at the moment. They're not always the best indicator of how long you're really going to be waiting for. Where we started off with the park this morning being absolutely heaving, as we're getting towards the end of the day, it's really quietening down. Seems to be an awful lot of people who are going home early, and it's left it really not that bad at all. So while it looks like it's going to be quietening down, we're going to head over towards Vampire. This morning it was insane, so hopefully it might not be too bad now. ride on Vampire to end the day. That's probably one of the better rides I've ever had on that. That was a really good ride. Running really well today. And yes, that queue actually was 90 minutes. That's the longest we've queued all day, but really good run on it. Well, the rides are closed and our day at Chessington has come to an end. We've had a really good day. It might have been busy, but we've got on loads of stuff. We've seen loads of bits and pieces that we haven't done for a while. It's time for us to go now, and so until next time, bye-bye. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.